I'm gonna be the bigger person here.
Oh, you're definitely the bigger person.
No, you definitely are. I got a Coke body figure.
A 3 liter?
No.
A 12 pack?
Oh, hello, what's your name? Oh.
I woke up with my ex-girl. I'm sorry?
Here's a quick reminder to whoever needs it. You're not beating a kangaroo in a fight.
It's gonna take probably 1 or 2 more years for that to happen. But look at this, you guys. Look how precious he is. And he hasn't even landed a single kick yet. Mwah! He was baffled by that kiss. Quem é essa menina de chapéu? Passou desfilando numa Dodge Ram.